Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we're going to be doing a graduations chip bag. I had a couple requests for this tutorial. I do have chip bag tutorials already, but never hurts doing another because every theme and all is different. So when you first open up Publisher, the first thing that you need to do is go to New and go to Landscape for your chip bag. I have mine already done. I have went to Page Design or Margins and None. And I have my boxes here already. So when you go hit Insert, Shape, get your square, and first one will be 8.5 by 2.75. You can take and duplicate that so you can have one on each side. And your middle square is going to be 8.5 by 5.5. So you need three. Well, actually, you need 4, and I am going to show you why you would need 6 later on in this video. So you need 1 for each end, 1 for the middle, and you need a back. And I will show you why later. All right. So first we're going to start with the ends. I am going to change my color to one is going to be red and the other is going to be black. And in my middle, I am going to start with a shape to put my picture in. So let's see. Maybe I should do a big star. Let's see how that's going to work. Oh, look. Put that in the middle. Okay. We can work with that. And I'm going to do that a red star. And I'm going to put this little person here in the middle. And bring it forward. And you can put a any shape you want. You can put a picture of a, actual person in it. This is just what I have since it's just for tutorial purposes. I already have everything here, but I want to go through the steps with you guys. So I'm going to put my designs on here that I want now. So as far as for this, you can get all of these images off of Google if you just type in whatever you're looking for and hit PNG. If you notice, I am giving myself a little bit of room on the outside of each column because what I want to do is you need to have an area to glue. Now, you can either do this and leave room, or you can, the reason why I have that 4th box, there is a box behind this entire chip bag because you can actually just bring this over a little bit so you can have glue room. So I'll say, let's see. So instead of it being 2.75, you can do like, 2.5 or, you don't need much room. So 2.55, I would say you just need a little bit of room to glue or, be able to put tape, however you're going to seal your back. So up to you if you want to use the glue. So you can do it where you know that that's going to be the area where you will glue or tape, or you can leave it like I do. And you can just go ahead and, make sure you have some room on the ends on both sides so you can put your glue or tape. I personally have seen it several ways. The only way I normally do it is I just leave room so I can glue a tape. Totally up to you, whatever you want to do. A lot of people do it where they put the extra, where they make the room on the ends in case you want to have this white so it looks like a chip, how some chip bags look where it has the white. There is no right or wrong way to do this. This is totally your design. If you want to have the back of your chip bag look, orange and everything else is red, black, and white, that is up to you. Nobody's going to judge you. That's just your design. And if they do, then, okay, they'll be okay. I'm also going to leave room at the top because I want to show you guys another method in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and put my wording. So actually, I'm going to delete this. Let me show you how to get it. So I am going to go to insert word art and pick congrats. Or I might want that to be in all caps. Again, with this, you can do this how you want to. Nobody can't tell you a right or wrong way to design your items. What you want it to say, how you want it to be, is totally up to you and nobody else. All right, so I am going to add some balloons in here as well. Same thing, I got the balloons off Google. Well, I got the red balloon off Google and I took and recolored it. So I went to format, recolor, and change the color of the balloon. So you can change to whatever color you want it to be. But the first one is always the original color. So that means it was red before. All right, so now we're gonna go insert word art, and I am going to do class of and then I want to do it separate 2019. I'll make this a little bigger. Oh no, make that a little bigger. Class of 2019. Bring that right there. I'm gonna bring that down just a little bit more because I want to put this little hat on here also. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and make these solid colors. So let's see. I'll bring it down just a little more. And bring it up just a little bit. Yep. Okay, right there. All right. Or you can put it on the edge here. You can put the cap wherever you want to put the cap at. All right, there you go. All right, and I'm just gonna play around with this a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and delete that. That was one of the balloons I had, but it won't turn red. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the bottom as well, but give it a little bit of room. and you put your saying. So whatever you wanted to say, you can type that out as well. I'm not going to type it out since I have it already. But all you would do is go to insert word art like I did the rest, pick whichever font, word style you want, and type what you wanted to say. And I think I like the red and black and everything. So, yeah, did it not work? Oh, it probably did. Ha ha ha, duh, Quinn. It's not gonna show on here. It did. Well, this one didn't do it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm about to say it's supposed to change. Okay, good. So here we go. This is our chip bag. If you have like a mascot or anything, you can put it up here, put it down there. You can put other things on here that you want. Totally up to you. Now, there is another way I wanted to show you guys. You can go to insert. Let's say if you don't want it to be red, white, and black on the edges like this, you can go to get another shape. And you need this to be 11 long and at least by 0.40. So that means I need to bring this down and make this smaller. Bring that forward. Okay. All right. And you can put that on the top and the bottom if you want it to be a solid color for your top and bottom border. So if I want it to be black, then take and copy and paste. This is the area on the chip bag that you would crimp if you're crimping it, or cut with your, rigid scissors. And there you go. And you can bring this up a little bit more if you want to, since you've done that. Okay. And here you go. That is your chip bag. Again, there is no right or wrong way to do these. You can design them how you want, for your needs or your customers' needs. I like this. I actually think it's kind of cute. So, if you have any questions or concerns, definitely hit me up. Let me know. You can always, use a different shape for the middle. You can put an actual person's picture. So let's say if I wanted to do this instead of my big star, I can take the star out, delete it. Come on, format, no fill. No, I do want to fill. But then send that to the back so my girl can be on top. You can do that also and make her bigger. You can make the borders thicker. You can have an actual person's picture in the middle. Totally up to you. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial and you guys have a great day. Remember, hit us up if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions. And yes, be easy. See y'all later. Bye.